What's up, YouTube? I hope you're having a great day. Today we're actually going to be unboxing a drone. This is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This is the Fly More Plus bundle. It comes with the RC2 controller. The controller that actually has the screen on there, so you don't need to use your cell phone with that. So far I removed the plastic off the box, but I haven't opened the box yet. We'll go ahead and get started on that now. All right, so let's open the box and see what's in it. Okay, let's see. All right, so it comes pre-packaged already. Okay, so it comes with a case, I would say this is a really nice case. This is the DJI, I guess, travel case for the drone. DJI shoulder bag. Yes, a shoulder bag. All right, great. Okay, so we can move this box out of the way, put this box here. But everything comes pre-packaged in here. All right, so let's see what we have here. Looks like this is the drone. As you see, it's a pretty small drone. All right, so there's the drone. It has a protective case over the gimbal camera. So this is the drone. Let's remove this here. Can we remove this here safely? All right, there you go. We just removed the gimbal cover. You can see the gimbal right there. Okay, the gimbal does come with a protective thing, like foam in here, so we probably gonna have to take that off before flying. Let's see, remove the foam sticker before use. Okay. All right, so let's open it up. Let's see how you open this thing up. All right, so that's the drone. It's pretty small. I used to have a DJI Mavic Air, and the Mavic Air was slightly bigger than this. So I guess this is what it's called, the Mini, because it is small. As you can see, it has sensors, and I guess a light at the bottom. It has LiDAR sensors here in the front. And then it also has some additional cameras or sensors in the back here, right there. So it has 360-degree coverage when it comes to collision prevention or collision avoidance controls. Okay, so it comes with one battery installed already. Oh, it is very light without the battery. This is probably one of the lightest drones I ever held in my life. All right, so we'll set that to the side and continue on. Oh, it just turned on. See it flashing there. All right, we're gonna turn it off. Okay, good. All right, we don't want the turning on yet, so let's see what else is in the package. Here we have, oh, this is the battery charger. So this is the battery charger. Comes with 2 batteries in here, so you get a total of 3 batteries with this combo, and I believe the 3 batteries combined. It also has a USB-C port there, so you can charge all of your batteries, and then you have the LED lights here to tell you the status of the charging on your battery. So that's pretty cool. Very similar to like the Adventure combo and the Osmo Action 4 camera pack of batteries. they work the same way, I believe, where they charges a battery at a time, but you only have to connect it here. There's also a power button. Not sure what that's for, but maybe to turn it on and off, turn the charger on and off. But all right, so that's interesting. All right, we got the charger. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, the remote. Very important. We got the remote. All right, so here we are. We got the remote with the antennas. It's the remote. Obviously, it doesn't have the thumbsticks on there. They're actually here. So it looks like in the back here, there is an area to where you can store your thumbsticks right here, right there. So very cool stuff. Let's see what else is on the box. Let's see. All right, so far, so good. And then we got this here. And these are, it gives you extra propellers. These are extra propellers. You have a set, you got two of the white, two of the A's and two of the B's, and then A's and B's. Okay, so you get 3 sets of propellers of the A type. Install propeller, shown an image. Okay. So we'll go into this later on. We'll take a bigger look at this, but it looks like it uses 2 types of propellers, A's and B's. So it comes with a total of 6 of them. Also comes with a USB-C cable. I think you can use that for charging the and then there's something else here. What is this? Didn't expect this. Don't know what this is. This looks like a case. Oh, I think these are ND filters. Yes, they are. Oh, nice. I did not know these came in this package. So these are ND filters. So if you're flying and it's very sunny out and you want like you want a lot of smooth motion blur in your videos, you can use these ND filters along with your shutter speed to create motion blur, to give it a very cinematic look to your film, to your recording. Well, that's awesome. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, it looks like the last thing in the box is, it looks like a manual, DJI, looks like a DJI sticker in there. Let's see, and yep. You have the DJI sticker, a quick start guide. And I believe these drones were almost banned here in the US after President Trump took office. I think they were banning, or maybe started with Biden, I don't remember, but they were trying to ban DJI from selling drones in the US. And I think that they cannot sell their new drones anymore directly in the US. I did get this through Best Buy, so you can get it through third-party vendors. So there you go, folks. It's the DJI Mini 5 Pro. We'll be flying this soon. It is raining today, so I won't be able to fly it today or tomorrow, but in a few days I'll be flying it. So please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.